Good morning, students. In this class, we will continue chapter 2, long and short. Today, we are going to discuss about point, then line segment, for array. Next one, how to draw line segment. Point, line segment, ray, how to draw line segment. The first one, point. Point. What is point? Point is an exact position or location. Point is an exact position or location. A dot. This is a point. The point is shown by a dot. Point is shown by a dot. A point shows a fixed position. Point shows a fixed position. The point has no breadth, no length or thickness. We name a point using any capital letters. We can use B. Okay. Not use small letters. Okay, it's wrong. We can use only capital letters. We name a point using a capital letters. What's the name of this point? Point B. What's the name of this point? Point C. But what is point? The point is an exact position or location. The point is a dot. Next topic is line. The group of points joined together form a line. What is line? The group of points joined together form a line. You know the points? The group of points joined together form a line. Okay. The line has no endpoints. Line has no endpoints. That's why I am putting arrows. The line can be extended up to any length. Line को ऐसे extend करने के लिए हो सकता है. Line has no ऐसी endpoints नहीं है. So we are putting arrows. This is a line. Line has no endpoints. Line can be extended up to any name. A, B. What's the name of this line? Line A, B. Or we have to write A, B. Then you have line and then arrow. That means we have to say the line AB. Okay. One more example. So another line. Okay. Put arrows in both sides. Then I name it PQ. What's the name of this line? How to write? The line, L-I-N-E, line, PQ. और नहीं है तो कैसे लिख देंगे? PQ. उसके बाद ऊपर उसका लाइन. That means we have to say, how to say line PQ. Line PQ. Okay. Line segment. Line segment is a part of line. Line segment is a part of line. Line segment. How to draw line segment? This is a line segment. Okay. The line segment has two endpoints. Line segment has two endpoints. Which are the endpoints? This is a one endpoint and this is another endpoint. Okay. Line segment has two endpoints. Okay. Giving names X and Y. How to write? The line segment X, what's the name? XY. Line segment XY. और we have to write XY, उसके ऊपर एक line. It's a dot, no arrows. That means we have to say the line segment XY. You have to say XY. The line segment has definite length. Line segment has definite length. Okay. One more example. Then say another line segment. It has two endpoints. A, B. That means the line segment AB. Line segment AB. Otherwise, we have to write A, B, then you draw the line. Okay, that means we have to say the line segment AB. Okay, one more. Then what's the difference between the line and the line segment? What's the difference? Line has no endpoints. Line has no endpoints. Line segment has endpoints. It's a major difference. Line has extend up to any length. Line segment has definite length. That's second. Then line we have to represent in how to draw arrows. The line segment has no arrows. We have to write the line represent this way and line segment has to represent this way. Okay, this means the line segment the line AB and this one is line segment AB. Ray is a part of line. The ray is a part of line which is extended endlessly in one direction. What is ray? The ray is a part of line which is extended endlessly in one direction. Okay, we have to draw a ray. Okay, one endpoint and then this is a ray. We name a ray from starting point P and then Q. That means ray PQ, or we have to write PQ, then draw this way. This is a point and this arrow. That means the ray PQ. What is this? The ray PQ. The ray begins at a point. Ray begins at a point, but it has no end. No end. It has no end. The ray begins at a point, but it has no end. It does not have definite length. Ray does not have definite length. The question, practice questions. First question, name the figures in two ways. Name the figure. How to name it? What is this? The first question. All I see the first question. What's the answer? What is this? It has two endpoints. That means this is a line segment. Is it correct? It's a line segment. We have to write in one way. How to write line segment? Line segment. Name क्या है? What's the name? ST. The line segment ST. Okay, it's a one way. Another way क्या है? ST. Then you have to write this way. Okay. You have to write two ways. One is line segment ST and then this one ST. Then you have to line. This is we have to read the line segment ST. Okay. Then next question. Okay. What is this? Two arrows. That means it extends on both sides. That means it's a line. The answer line. What's the name? AB. Line AB or another way क्या है? AB then draw. Third question. It's a one endpoint and one arrow. Okay. What is this? Array. What is this? Array. Answer array PQ. Ray PQ or we have to write another way. PQ then one side endpoint and then this way. That means ray PQ. Okay. Then next question. It's point. What is this? Point. Point. Point C. Next class we will study about how to draw